all, welcome to the physics online class. Today we are going to learn our first chapter, forces in fluids. Forces in fluids. Do you know what are fluids? Liquids and gases generally called fluids. And in fluids there are some forces acting on it. One of the forces is buoyant force. So let's have a look. What is buoyant force? So for that, here is a simple experiment with a bucket, some water and a plastic bottle. At first, take a bucket full of water. Try to push an inverted glass bottle into the bucket. So what do you experience? When we try to push an inverted glass bottle into a bucket full of water, we have to apply downward force. It means bottle experiencing an upward force. From where? Water. The upward force is due to force exerted by water on the bottle containing the enclosed air, opposing the downward motion of the bottle. Next one, take an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper. Put it in the bucket full of water. So let's see what happens. When an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper is put in a bucket full of water, it floats in water. Now try to push the bottle into the water. Is it possible to push it easily to the bottom of the bucket? No, it is not easy to push the bottle to the bottom of the bucket. Why? This is because an upward force exerted by the water on the bottle opposes the downward motion of the bottle. Now release the bottle. If the bottle is now released, it rises to the surface of water and floats on it. In above examples, the upward force experienced by an object immersed in any liquid is called the upthrust or buoyant force. This force acts opposite to the force of gravity. When a body is partially or fully dipped into a liquid, the liquid exerts forces on the body. The force exerted by this liquid is perpendicular to the surface of the body and is equal to the product or pressure and area at that point. That is, we have to apply pressure and area. The resultant force of all this is the buoyant force. So here is another example. You must have noticed that the bucket of water appears lighter underwater. The reason is that the submerged object appears to lose weight in liquid due to upthrust or buoyant force. And we feel more weight above the surface of water. The property of liquid to exert an upward force on an object immersed. It is called buoyancy. The buoyant force acting on an object depends on volume of object. That is, the buoyant force is greater if volume of object submerged in liquid is larger. Next one, density of liquid. The buoyant force is greater if density of liquid is greater. Today's topic. Thank you.